p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, gauge reports indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Massive flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: gauge is reporting. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fairhope, Foley, Robertsdale, Point Clear, Loxley, Magnolia Springs, Summerdale, Silver Hill, Clay City, Marlow, River Park, Turkey Branch, Barnwell, Battles Wharf, Montrose, Belforest, and Rossington. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. This is NOAA weather.